Hi, this is Neetu Gupta, Healingpreneur Mentor. I help people in their healing and also setting healing as their career. Many of you don't even know what healing exactly is. Some people think healing means meditation, some think Reiki, some think curing the physical body diseases, and some think maybe stress management, relationship. So they don't have clarity about this concept, what healing exactly is. In my simple language, in one sentence, if I would define healing, I would say it is coming back to your spiritual harmony. Once it is done, all else is automatically done. For me, that is healing. Now, let me elaborate it. I am sure you could not understand what I said. Healing means working upon all the areas of your life, your personality, your mind, your thought patterns, your beliefs, your karmic patterns, your emotions, your relationships, even your freedom. That means you have developed good qualities inside you like honesty, loyalty, helpful nature, soft, loving, kind, forgiving, these kind of qualities. You respect your freedom, you respect others' freedom also. You are growing, you are free. There is no one to control your life, control your choices, or force you to do something which you don't want to do. Means you are free to experience for which you are born. So that is again a part of healing. If this thing is not happening in your life, your life's remote control is in everyone's hand except you. That's a big problem because you are not living. You are living just for few people. If you are living in pain, if you are not able to forget or forgive anyone, or not able to let go things that are non-serving for you, things, emotions, can be anything. If you are stuck in toxic relationships just because you are dependent on these people, this dependency can be of any nature. It can be related to your protection, your money, social needs, need of love. Though whenever you are dependent on someone, you never enjoy the pure love because pure love in itself is a freedom, right? So if these things are happening in your life, that means there is a disturbance and you really need to cure it. Similarly, if you are not able to enjoy your financial freedom also, this is again a very wrong belief. And I would rather say it's not a belief, it's a programming that is done in our mind. That people who want to connect to their spirit, want to pursue a spiritual path or a path of healing or divine, they should not ask money. They don't need money actually. Why so? Have you seen any god living in scarcity, in poverty? No, money is a power. And this power should be in the hands of good people only. If people like me, you who are nice, nice souls from the core, if we have that power, we will only think about the welfare of the society of this world. We will contribute in making this world a paradise, heaven. But if this power goes in the wrong hands, they will make it a hell. So having money is not bad. Money is actually not bad. What is bad is the inside characters. If you have worked upon yourself, if you have controlled your greed, if you have learned to be satisfied, contented, if you have learned to share your abundance with others, then money is not at all a problem for you. Right? So there are many such things that are stopping us to have our experience fully, to live this life fully on this planet. And because of that, many of us don't even know, I have everything in my life, then why am I not happy? I'm sure this must be happening with you at some point of your life. Because there is a seeking inside your soul, your inner child. He wants to do something else, but you're not allowing him. Sometimes due to the old programmings, sometimes due to family pressure, social pressure, or it can be something else. So, all these things where you are so much dependent on other people's opinion that you are not in a position to take your own decisions, choose a life that you want to live. That means you need healing. If you have a lot of fears inside you and your fear stops you, your self image is low, confidence level is low, you are not able to handle mental or emotional stress in your life, you become easily depressed and just cut out yourself from the entire world. That means you need healing. In any adverse kind of situation, the first thing that comes in your mind is to commit suicide. You seriously need healing. So please broaden your vision, your understanding related to healing. Healing is not curing the heavy names given by our medical science. Of course, these things are healed naturally, actually, but in a different manner. Once your life comes into harmony, for example, if you are stuck in some toxic kind of relationships, people who don't value you, always makes you feel inferior, unworthy. So, what they do? They deteriorate your self image and you accept, oh, I am good for nothing. Once you accept this thing, you will just drag you back from taking a new action, progressive action for yourself because you are in self doubt. You don't believe in yourself. Others have told you that you are of no use. So you will start losing all the opportunities in your life. And then again, another thought of failure will create its place in your mind. And I know it is very difficult to live with just these two emotions, low self image and failure. These two things literally breaks you from inside. So then why are we on this planet? Are we here to live in scarcity, fears, low feelings, or we are born to live other people's life, to please everyone except our own inner self, our own spirit, our inner child? So all these things are part of healing. Healing is related to mind, means mind should be balanced, positive, optimistic, focused. There are many qualities of mind that I will explain in separate different video. Otherwise, it will become too large, right? Similarly, emotional balance, and also it covers your spiritual aspect. So when these things comes into harmony, your physical body automatically starts getting healed. You don't need to do anything separately on that, right? So this was few things that I wanted to share with you so that you people could get a clarity what healing exactly is. So next time when you think about healing, please don't think healing means curing the physical body diseases. Your physical body shows the symptoms only when it reaches to its peak state, when there is an emergency. You really need to do something for yourself. That time, your body shows you these kind of symptoms. Now you can see if cancer is detected at the very first state or before the first state, in fact, it can easily be controlled, cured. But if at the third stage you come to know you have cancer, it becomes very difficult, right? Physical diseases are simply the results of disturbing the harmony in other areas of your life, of your being. you correct that, physical body will automatically be cured. Right? I hope this was quite informative for you. And now you have a better understanding about healing. Next time, when you hear the word healing, you will not get confused. Okay. In next video, I will explain you about few healing techniques, healing medicines. Right? Because healing in itself is a different concept. And what you call healing, like meditation and Reiki, these are not healing. These are the medicines, healing medicines. So let's close our session. If you have any queries related to this topic, you are most welcome to comment below and let me know what is going inside your mind. If you want to get connected with me, there is an inquiry form in the description box. You can just fill it up. Let me know where you are stuck in your life and what do you want to do in your life. I will definitely revert back to you. And don't forget to connect to my social network. I keep sharing very insightful things there. So that will be very helpful for you. Okay, then bye for now. Take care. Stay blessed.